Sianna, can you give your horse a hug? What's your horse's name? Cessy. Okay, I want you to walk around Carissa, please. Stay there, Ghost. Make your circle big, sweetie. Okay, can you lope? Keep your circle big.
There you go. Turn her.
Lope, lope, lope. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Faster, faster.
Good job.
Go, 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 go. Okay, stop. Okay, can you walk the other way?
Okay.
Keep your circle big. Don't hit Carissa. Okay, my dear. Can you lope?
Remember, keep your circle wide. Next to her.
Kick, kick.
Take her, Sianna. Don't run into me.
Kick, kick.
Good job.
And stop. And can you back up? Okay, give her one more hug and tell her what a good girl she is.